In this series of videos, you will learn how to build a modern, fully featured web application using Python and Django. This will be the final product. Users will be able to sign up, register for an account, and subscribe to either a monthly, quarterly, or yearly plan. I have an existing user who has an yearly subscription. The user can update their profile, change their avatar, and so on. They can also update their subscription by going to the subscribe page. For example, they can select the quarterly plan. You'll also learn how to add a payment gateway using Paystack. Paystack is similar to Stripe. The only difference is that it's more convenient for businesses based in Africa. It allows businesses to receive payments by mobile payments or by card payments from all over the world. I couldn't implement this using Stripe because of their location constraints, so I opted for Paystack. I'm currently running this in test mode, so you can just test it. Click on Pay Now, and you can see we can pay by either M-Pesa or by card. You to select card and pay that amount. And you can see the subscription has been updated. We'll also add a blogging feature to our web application where the admin and select staff will be able to post blogs. The blog post will support rich text, which will implement using TinyMC, which is a rich text editor. We can demonstrate this practically by creating a new post. So I'm going to give it a title of blank workouts and just copy this article from Healthline. And paste it in. And you can see we get the images and all the HTML. This is because of the rich text. You can also have the thumbnail. Status, you're going to set it to publish. Tags, I'm going to call it workout. And post. And here we have it. You can see we get all the images. And this is because of the rich text editor. You're going to learn how to implement user management using Django-Allauth. This will allow us to manage regular accounts and social accounts. Social accounts will allow users to log in using their Google accounts, Apple, GitHub, or Microsoft. Regular accounts will allow users to log into their accounts using their emails and password or username. There'll also be password management and password reset, email management, and email verification. We can see this practically by creating or registering for a new account using a valid email address. So in a new browser, I can just log in and click on sign up. So the email address, I'm going to enter a valid email address. I'm going to give it a name, Byron. Codes, age 22, password, testing 321, testing 321. Sign up. You can see confirmation email has been sent to my email address. So in my email address, you can see that I've received that email confirmation with the code. So you can just copy that and paste it in. And this will confirm my email address. So at the moment, let me just update my profile with a new avatar. Select happy face, open. Last name is the same. Age, I can set it to anything, 32, then save changes. You can see we have that. And we can also register for one of the plans. So in the pages, click on subscribe. I'm going to register for a yearly subscription. Click on pay now. At the moment, my Paystack account is set to test mode. I'm going to select card or M-Pesa. For now, let's use card and success and pay 40 shillings. Good, you get my subscription has been updated. Users will also be able to manage their password. So you can see we can change the passwords. There'll also be a forgot password feature, which will allow users to reset their password in case they forget it. So if a user for some reason forgot their password, we can click on forgot password. You can enter your email address. So again, I'm going to enter my email address and request password reset. So you get this notification if your email address exists in our database, you'll receive a password recovery link at your email address. This is implemented using Django-Allauth, so we didn't have to code this from scratch. So as you receive the email address, hello Byron, and you get this password reset link. So I can just copy it and in my new browser, paste it in, and here you can set your new password. That's it, and you can sign in. Yeah. So you can see the user management flow is very modern. So the transactional emails are sent using Mailgun. I'll show you how to configure it and how to set it to use a custom domain such as this. This is my domain for my website. So this is the modern approach to sending transactional emails. Nowadays, you cannot use your app passwords from Gmail. The theme for this website is provided using Mailgun. You can download it for free, but I've added some custom CSS and some JavaScript, so I'll share it with you guys with the full CSS and custom JavaScript so that you'll be able to follow along smoothly. This is a good portfolio project for anyone who wants to get started on building web applications using Python and Django. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial where we are going to get started, write some code, and implement this. So see you then. Thank you for watching and subscribe.